Hey guys, and welcome to our latest unboxing video. Today we're going to take a look at the Aavik R180 Phono Stage. Aavik's a brand that we've taken on relatively recently, but it's just growing and growing and growing in popularity, and we're really excited now to bring the Phono Stage to you guys, because one of the major issues a lot of people have with Phono Stages is noise, and Aavik of course are known for having exceptionally silent products and having products that can create a really inky black silence behind the music. So this Phono Stage still uses all the Tesla coil technology that their amps use. So this is perfect because this is a really silent Phono Stage, which obviously means you can then enjoy the analog sounds that much more. So David will be doing I have a review diary video of this a little later on, but for now let's just get unboxed and let you guys get a look at it. So as you can see, it comes in, it's double box, but it comes in a larger outer box. And inside you of course have the product itself, which is really well packaged, as you can see. Just set that to one side and remove the outer box. So as you can see, the packaging is really beautiful, really nicely done from Aavik. As you open it up, straight away you get just your instruction manual, which goes through absolutely everything from the remote to the menu functions, obviously specifications, etc., and all your setup. So it's a very thorough instruction manual. You see down the side here, there's this little red package. You can actually open this up. This is effectively your remote. Which, as you'll see, is actually an Apple remote, which is actually very good, super easy to use, nice and lightweight, and yeah, a lot of people actually really like the fact that they're using these because they know it's a really quality product. As you see on top, then you have a nice piece of high density foam. And underneath you have the Phono Stage itself in a nice protective dust cover. So we'll just take the sellotape off here. Slide the bag away. And we'll just move the box out. So here it is. So this is the Aavik R180 Phono Stage. As you can see, it uses the same chassis as the other 180 products. Beautifully made. Just to give you guys a look at the back, you of course have a phono line out in your ground. Again, you have an IEC power supply, so you can upgrade the cables, which again can make it even quieter again. You have these little options here to add in the Anzus darks, and also makes all the products stackable, which is really nice. On the front you still have your full LED screen with obviously your function buttons. So yeah, really beautiful product, beautifully made. And I say this is a super silent Phono Stage, which makes it a really interesting prospect for everyone. So yeah, we have this on demo now, so if anyone would like to go and hear it just to hear exactly how good this product is, please do. We'd love to let you guys hear it. As I said, David will be doing a more in-depth video on the technical specs of this Phono Stage. But I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I hope it gave you a little insight into this product, and I hope to hear from you soon.